negehia. Kia kore ai ia, kia whakapāngia patu ki taku nono. Koira tāku. Patua o mātu.
Corner him, you know. Can keep him in the corner, don't let him move. I'll keep cutting him off.
Tēnā mata atu e tiaki ia tāua. E honore rāku, e honore nāku. Ki te tū. Tāua ai tūtaki I roto I tērā. Ai paka. Tāua kia tāua.
Aroha mai e tua. Sorry it had to be you and me, brother. Ngari. Tūtaki te tāua kia tāua. Nā ka tūtaki anō ringa te papahura rākau. Tāku nei kia koe kia ka. Mena ka wehe koe, ka wehe au. Pai te tūtaki. Ka tūtaki anō a te tahi atu wāpea.
Now, for the fight. Moioe, moioe. Moioe te tupua, moioe te tawhito, moioe te kāhui o ngā riki, moioe tā whiwhi atu ki atu mā tau e ngā. A tēnā, tomo mai kōrua.
That back Papati, I think he's the one you got to keep an eye on. So, but me here to tour.
Me whakapauka ani, whakapauka mo te he mo tanu atu.
I'd say it'd probably be Papati because he's just, he's pretty deadly in the ring.
Tipene is quick to unleash his rākau on tour. Tua does well to keep Tipene at bay, using his defensive blocking skills. Tipene strikes the legs of Tua, but no points are awarded for striking this area. Tua is quick to counter-attack and lands the first opening point. Tipene looks keen to up the tempo of this fight, and Tua continues to use his defense. Tipene scores using a blow to the head. Round one is nearly over, and Tipene wastes no time to attack further, scoring 3 points before the end of the round. Kawaira, kawaira, te tangata tū taua.
Akai te mōhi o mātou, ko tahi o e rā toko rua, ka are te hoki mai ki wainganui a mātou anō, nā reira, kia kaha kia rāua.
For two, watch out for Papati, he's probably going to try and kill you.
Tukuna ngā pāwa kia rere, karawhiua mai.
The vibes come right through this place. All of the toa all amped up.
We're about to start round two of the fight between Tipene Rangihuna and Tua Hekenui. At the moment, Tipene in yellow, one of the favourites, appears to be leading the fight. Let's take a look. Tua attacks back, driving his rākau straight to the face of Tipene. A point to Tua. Great defense from Tua. A show of might from Tipene. A nice shot to the side of the head from Tua.
Pass.
Inside, right now, I'd have to say Papati.
Ko Papati pia.
He's cunning. He's too cunning, that old fella.
Kia kahara, Te aura tū ki te rau.
Now for the start of round 3.
Tō katoa. Kia wani.
By now, at this point in the fight, the TOA will be very fatigued. Each attempt to strike at the opponent becomes harder and harder. Not a clean attack, no points awarded. Tipene tries to keep TOA on the move in hope maybe that the larger man is getting tired.
Minutes here, toi ana. Kia wani.
Tipene unleashes a number of attacking styles, but to no avail. Then TOA lands another quick shot to the side of his opponent. Tipene looks to be getting frustrated that his strikes are not earning points. He changes his style to get in closer to his opponent. TOA lands another clean blow to Tipene's head. Tipene looks to sheer strength in his next attack, and he succeeds and gains a point before the end of round 3.
Kina pātsi. Whakata.
I can hear Papa T in there going hard, maybe him, but then also could be Papa T getting or hiding.
Kāre kore hei te o tinga ka ki tēnei mātou. They haven't come here for a holiday. No one's come here for a picnic. If I was in there right now, I would be giving it everything.
I think Papa T will probably come out charging first, so he'll probably have 2 on his back legs straight away, but then after 2 adjust, maybe it'll be a more of a competitive, if not 2 in front.
Kia pēnei te mau. Tēnei te wahanga whakamutunga kōrua. Kia karawhiua mai. Kia umai tō katoa.
The last of 4 2-minute rounds begins with a fairly even scorecard. Another from TOA to the head of his opponent. Some quick moves shown by the veteran TOA.
Minutes toi ana.
A great battle between these 2 giants. Tipene catches TOA napping. But TOA lets Tipene know that he's still awake and very much in the game. 30 seconds remain in the fight as the 2 mighty TOA battle it out to the end. What a great clash to start this competition. But who will be sending who home? A great start to many fights yet to be seen in this tournament. Which TOA has reached this level? Who has done well enough to continue on?
All he did was move and next thing you know, tok. Really hard to see outside those helmets, those side hits coming from either side and sort of flanking you, and of course very hard to hear our kai whakawao. And so he got a few goodies in there without me knowing. And I was sitting there going, what just happened?
Ki te a ko pe te nui e te tangata. Ko e whakaro e ngā wari noi. Ki te tana kahe puta mai la. Yeah, then the peri this morning, I said, oh, dude, what an awesome man. He can get his big body up. Yeah, he got a big heart te tangata.
The other toa were not permitted to observe the bout, but are invited to hear the results.
A tēnā koutou i te kāhui toa, tēnā kōrua ngā tōranga tira. Mo te ao mau. Ka tahi rā te whai nui ko tērā, e wama. A hoi anō. Ko tau mai ki te wā, ka whiriwhiri ngia e tātou, ko wai ka hoki ki te kāinga, ko wai i wai maria rā, ka haere ki taumata ki. Ko te toa ka puta i tēnei o ngā taumata tātai rākau. Kei taku taha katau, kotua. O reira tēnā kōrua Tipene. Tēnā, hoki ma, ongi mai.
Tēnā, perahi.
Kia tawai te rongo, kia tawai te rongo.
Awesome, just such an honour to be in the ring, or be in this arena with Matua T. Beautiful man, beautiful man.
I think you just retired me too. Waihote mo ngā rangatai. But you go hard, boy. Stay here as long as you can do it. One day we'll catch up with you.
Tino wai maare a ki te tū, kai mui a rātau ma. Aha ko, tā huatanga o te hoari i kai wangi nui kai roto i te mea. Papahora nei.
Loss is a loss, but you pick yourself up, move on. And to the remaining toa, aha ko te a, mahi anga mahi, ke kahatana.
Productions.